The Bengaluru police is facing flack after two incidents surfaced of sexual harassment of women in public places on New Year's Eve in the city. While on the one hand, allegations of mass molestation of women at MG Road and Brigade Road have been levelled, on the other hand, a woman was sexually assaulted while walking towards her home after a New Year celebration in Kamanahalli area.
These people have been following her and stalking her and taking advantage of the New Year's Eve. They attacked her and tried to outrage her modesty. The police has registered cases against these people and the police is investigating the case further. On the other hand, the cases related to Brigade Road, the police has taken suo motu action and cases have been filed.
The instances of sexual harassment triggered protests in BJP's women's wing in Bengaluru. In Kamanali area of Bengaluru, a young woman was sexually assaulted by two men at around 2:45 on Sunday morning while returning home after a New Year celebration.
We did not waste our time to look for the victim or contact her. We suo motu registered the case because what had been shown on the video convinced us beyond all possible doubt that this was a heinous crime, that we have successfully arrested 4 persons out of total 6 persons who were involved in this heinous act.
The same night also witnessed mass molestation of women at MG Road and Brigade Road in Bengaluru. While the incidents triggered nationwide outrage, what compounded it was the statement by Karnataka Home Minister Parameshwara, allegedly blaming the groping on women wearing Western clothes. He was later served a notice by the National Commission for Women for his remarks. Later he claimed his statements were misinterpreted.
I am extremely pained by the fact that my statement with respect to the alleged molestation incident on New Year Day has been interpreted out of context and not taken in its entirety.
Several women's rights organizations have condemned the instances of sexual harassment in Bengaluru.
It was quite shocking that such a thing taking place in Bengaluru itself, number one, and in the two places that are very often visited, two of the most visited places.
Close on the heels of two cases of sexual harassment of women on Bengaluru streets on New Year's Eve, another case of New Year revelers turned molesters has come to light, this time in Delhi, in which the molesters did not even spare the police personnel who tried to protect the victim. These pictures of a mob on a rampage in Delhi's Mukherjee Nagar on the 31st of December have added more grist to the debate on safety of women in the country. On that night, a mob of drunk men sexually assaulted a woman riding pillion on a bike near Batra Cinema, after which Constable Anil Kaushik, who was on duty there, came to the rescue of the victim.
हमने देखा जैसे किसी लड़की के साथ बदतमीजी हो रही है। सबसे फ्रंट में थे मैं और मेरे एएसआई रणधीर साहब। हम दोनों भाग गए, तो हमारे को देखा, हमने अपने बाकी स्टाफ को बोला, सारा लेडी स्टाफ भी था, जो जेंट स्टाफ था। हम गए, तो उसके बाद फिर वो भीड़ को तितर बितर गया, वो हमारे को देख के भाग गए।
Soon the angry mob turned on the policemen on duty for protecting the victim and detaining some assaulters. Policemen were attacked and those detained freed. The police has filed a case of rioting and has questioned over 200 students in the case, even as the victim of sexual assault has not yet filed a police complaint. Eyewitnesses confirmed the molestation incident, saying that many women were sexually harassed in the area on New Year's Eve.
जो भी गाड़ियों से लड़कियां निकल रही थी, जो लड़कों के साथ निकल रही थी, उनको परेशान किया जा रहा था, क्योंकि लड़के कंट्रोल ही नहीं थे उस दिन तो.
Union Home Minister Rajnath Singh has condemned the assaults on women as shameful and called upon state governments to discharge their responsibility of ensuring safety of women. Instances of groping and molestation of women in Bengaluru and Delhi have left the nation outraged and raised questions once again on the safety of women in the country. With Neeraj Singh in Delhi and Aisha Khanum in Bengaluru, Newsnight Desk, DD News.